To change screen lock on Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here go for the security and privacy, and then go into device unlock right here. Then go into the screen lock and enter your current screen lock method. In my case it is the pattern, so let's input the pattern right here. And here to change it you simply have to select any of these three available lock screen methods that you are here: the pin, the password, or the pattern. So let's for example select the pin. You have to enter your current screen lock again, and from here you can enter your new password, and in my case it is the pin, so let's select this pin, 6 digits. Alright, use, again input this password again right here, and as you can see that's how to change the screen lock. Right now we have the numeric type of screen lock available in use.